Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today we are solving exercise 2.4 of linear equation in one variable. Let's start. In this session, we are solving question number 1 to 5 of exercise 2.4. So first we can see question number 1. The first question is Amina think of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. What is the number? So we have to find the number what Amina thought. Isn't it? So first we can take the number Amina thought be x. Then second step it is given subtract 5 by 2 from it. Here it means the number she thought. So that means x minus 5 by 2. Then it is given that multiplies the result by 8. Here what is the result? Means x minus 5 by 2. Then into 8. So that is given that the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So that is equal to 3 into x. So we got the equation like this. X minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Now let's solve. Here you can see the statement. According to question, we got an equation like this. X minus 5 upon 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. So we have to multiply 8 into x and 8 into 5 upon 2 both. So 8 into x, 8x. 8 into 5 upon 2, 2 in 8, 4 times. So 4 into 5, 20 is equal to 3x. Now 3x we can shift it to left side and 20 will shift it to right side. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 upon 5 is equal to 4. So the number Amina thought we got 4. So if you want, you can check your answer also by putting the value of x is equal to 4. So here LHS instead of x we put 4 there. So after that take the LCM. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5 upon 2 into 8. So 8 minus 5, 3 upon 2 into 8. 2 in 8, 4 times. So 3 4s are 12. 12 we got in LHS the same way RHS 3 into the value of x is 4. 3 4s are 12. So RHS also we got 12. So it means our solution is correct. Now question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Here also we have to find the numbers. But it is given that one number is 5 times the other. Means if we are taking one number x, then the other number will be 5x. Then it is given that if 21 is added to both the numbers, means if we are adding first number with the 21 and second number also with the 21, then the expression will be x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Then after that it is given that then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Means if we are taking 5x plus 21, then x plus 21 is twice of 5x plus 21. So we can write like this, 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21. So that is our equation. What is the equation? 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21. Here you can see the statement. Let the numbers we are taken as x and 5x, isn't it? If 21 is added to both the numbers, then the numbers will be x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now see, according to question, we are getting an equation like this. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21. Here, in right side, we have to multiply 2 with x and 21 both. So then 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 21, 42. Now we have to shift variable to left side and constant to right side. So from here, right side we can take 2x to left, and from left side we can take 21 to right side. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. 5 minus 2, 3. So next step you can see that 3x is equal to 21. Now x is equal to 21 divided by 3. So that is equal to 7. Therefore, the numbers we are getting 7 and 35. Means first number is x, that is why 7. Second number is 5x, that means 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. If you want, you can check your answers also. Instead of x, you can put a 7 in the equation. Then both the sides, if you are getting same answer, it means your answer is correct. Check your answers. Now see question number 3. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? This is the question. So what we have to find? The two-digit number. So what is given? Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number means tens digit plus unit digit. That is equal to 9. Then what should be tens digit? 9 minus unit digit, isn't it? So after that what it is given? If we are interchanging the digits, means tens digits goes to unit digit and unit digit goes to tens digit. Then the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. If you are interchanging the digits, then the new number is greater than the original number by 27. Let's see how we getting the equation. Yes, here original number first we have to find. So that unit digit we can take x. Then what will be the tens digit? That is 9 minus x. Then original number 10 multiplied by tens digit plus x. So 10 into 9 minus 10 into x, that is 90 minus 10x plus x. So minus 10x plus x, that is equal to minus 9x. So the original number we got 90 minus 9x. Now we have to interchange the digits. Then we will get the resulting number, a new number. So for that, unit digit we can take as 9 minus x. Then tens digit is x. What should be the number? 10 into x plus 9 minus x. So 10 into x, 10x plus 9 minus x. Then 10x minus x is equal to 9x. So what is the resulting number? 9x plus 9. Now in the question it is given that resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. Means resulting number is equal to original number plus 27. So we got the equation. What is the equation? 9x plus 9 is equal to 90 minus 9x plus 27. Here is the statement. The equation we already got, isn't it? What is that? According to question, resulting number is equal to original number plus 27. What is the resulting number? The resulting number we got 9x plus 9. Then what is the original number? That is 90 minus 9x. Then plus 27. So right side first you can add 90 and 27 together. Then we will get 117. Now next step, 9x plus 9 is equal to 117 minus 9x. Now we have to shift variable to left side and constant to right side. Here from right side in minus 9x, we can shift it to left side as a plus 9x. Same way plus 9 will move to right side minus 9. So next we can see 9x plus 9x is equal to 117 minus 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18x is equal to 108. Therefore, x is equal to 108 divided by 18. That is equal to 6. Means x we got 6. We have to take our original number. In original number, what is the unit digit? That is x. So our unit digit should be 6. Then what is the tens digit? That is 9 minus x. Means 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So here we got the 2-digit number. What is that? 36. Now you can check your answer. It is given that the resulting number is equal to original number plus 27. So resulting number is interchanging the digit. 36 is equal to 63. So 63 is equal to 36 plus 27. So your answer is correct. Now, question number 4. The question is, one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Here, we have to find the original number. Here it is given that one of the digit is 3 times the other. Means if we are taking one digit is x, then the other digit will be 3x. Then one more thing is given. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. Means original number plus resulting number is equal to 88. Now first we have to find the original number and the resulting number. First see the original number. Let the unit digit be x. Then tens digit will be 3x. Then what is the number? 10 into 3x plus x. That is equal to 30x plus x is equal to 31x. So we got the original number is 31x. Now see the resulting number. Here we are interchanging the digits. So unit digit will be 3x and tens digit will be x. Now what is the number? 10 into x plus 3x. So that is 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. So here we got the resulting number is 13x. Now the question it is telling that original number plus resulting number is equal to 88. So what is the original number? That is 31x. Then resulting number 13x. So the equation is 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. Now let's solve. Now you can see the statement. We already got the original number and the resulting number. Now we can see according to question, original number plus resulting number is equal to 88. So 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. 31 plus 13, that is equal to 44. So x is equal to 88 divided by 44 is equal to 2. So we got unit digit, that is 2. Then what is tens digit? 3 times 2 means 3x. So 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Then what will be the two digit number? That will be 62. So you can check your answer. Means 62 is the original number, then resulting number means interchanging. That will be 26. So 62 plus 26 is equal to 88. So our answer is correct. Now question number 5. Shobo's mother's percentage is 6 times Shobo's percentage. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's percentage. What are their percentages? So we have to find the percentage of Shobo and his mother. So here it is given that Shobo's mother's percentage is 6 times Shobo's percentage. Means if we are taking the present age of Shobo is X, then Shobo's mother's percentage will be 6X. Then it is given after 5 years, Shobo will be one third of his mother's percentage. Means after 5 years means X plus 5. That is equal to one third of 6X. So X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 6X. That is our equation. Now let's solve. Now you can see the statement here. We already told that if Shobo's percentage is X, then his mother's age will be 6X. Or after 5 years, Shobo's age will be X plus 5 years. Now according to question, it is given that X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 6X. So 3 in 6 2 times. So X plus 5 is equal to 2X. Now we can shift X to right side. So here 5 is equal to 2X minus X. 2 minus 1, 1. So therefore X is equal to 5 years. What is X? That is Shobo's percentage. So we got Shobo's percentage is 5 years. Then his mother's percentage is 6X. That is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. If you want, you can check the answer. Left side it is X plus 5 means 5 plus 5 that is equal to 10. Right side 1 by 3 into 6X that is 30. So 1 by 3 of 30, 10. So the answer is correct. Here we have completed our 5 questions. The remaining questions, question number 6 to 10, we will solve in next session. Okay. Now note down all the questions and practice it well. So thank you.